Hello, sir. So, would you please like to say about him?
Sure. Yeah, so I currently work as a product manager with Microsoft, and I've been working with Microsoft for close to 20 years. And this product management role excited to me more. So I moved into this role, and I'm continuing from past 5 years or so.
Sir, over your vast experience, what is that one career learning that has been with you throughout this, which have learned?
I think one important thing which I learned throughout the year is the connections are important. Like you need to have a connection with people, human connections, not the one who is LinkedIn, but human is important. And that's the reason I came here, because I wanted to meet people and see what people are thinking nowadays and how world is evolving. Because AI is changing the world, but this we still that evolution. So yeah.
Sir, you spoke about the relation. So, what are some of the career domains that students should try to get into as these two
Yeah.
aspirants? So, is there anything that you would like to?
So, since I am product manager, I can give guide about that. But there are multiple roles for the management piece itself. It could be a product manager, it could be a people manager, right? But depends on your interest. Whether I may not be a good people manager actually, but people tells me you can be good people manager as well. So again, there are multiple management streams available. It's up to the interest of the individual.
And, sir, lastly, what has been your experience? You've been in the campus since yesterday. How has been the campus treating yourself?
I was amazed to see this campus, so huge, so many people around, and interestingly, when I came, the events are going on, and I was able to see people not just studying, but they are having fun as well. It was a great experience, sir.
Look forward to your session.
Okay, thank you.